Hi guys, Expert Trades are very kindly sell this, the Tracer Proscribe, which I'm not much really for scribing wood, so we're going to give it a go, see how easy it is to use, but I'll show you it first. It's quite a handy wee thing. Comes in a great wee case, which is good for me because, well, I like losing stuff. And I like the Tracer pencil. I actually carry one every day as it is. But the good thing with this here is, it even comes with a spare one. So when I do, well, set it down somewhere and it gets borrowed by another tradesman, which of course never happens, it comes with everything you need. There's the proscribe down there at the bottom, the pencil with a great wee sharpener on the side of it, and spare leads. But we'll put it together here. We've got a wee bit of skirting board here I'm going to mark out, and we'll see what it looks like. As you can see, it's made of very, very good quality. It's well built. Everything locks in place exactly where you want it, just tighten these wee screws up. The pencil, which you can take out of your pocket in your trouser, you don't have to necessarily keep it in it. And you're ready to go. As you can see, we have a wee bit of skirting board here I'm going to cut down, excuse the floor, it's been a repair done after the fireplace has been changed. But let's see how we get on. Now, as I say, I'm not much good at this here, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve here for all of us. Excuse me while my old body gets down to the floor. Try and do this here for a dog comes in and drives me crazy. So, I'm basically going to try to scribe from here. I said, I do not scribe. So I'm a much of a novice at anything else. As you can see, because I'm nearly making absolutely works this. But I think if I do it right, hang on. Maybe I'll adjust here a wee bit because I've just messed it up. We've adjusted. There we go. Let's make it easier. Right, let's try this here again. So if I go from the bottom, go up. I'm sorry, I forgot to focus on this here. This is my fault, not the pen's. As you can see, hello, as I say, if I knew what I was doing, I'd an awful lot neater. That should give me quite a nice, neat fit. But we're going to cut it out and give it a go. Inside here, it's lovely and sunny. I've actually been setting at the same time this wee smart blade, which I use smart blades quite a bit, so we're going to try to cut out with this here, see how we get on. Bear with me a second. So, smart blades in Milwaukee, takes seconds to change. We're going to try cutting this here out. I'm not going to bore you with that bit. I'll tell you how well it cuts. But I don't think I could do it one-handed while holding the phone at the same time. As you can see, the blade's done quite a nice cut. I can't really say an awful lot about my cutting skill, which I just noticed here, but we'll try it, get down to it. We'll try it anyway. Let's see how well it fits. And I said I wouldn't worry about it being exact. I'd put more to my scribing ability, more so than the actual tool itself, which, if I'd actually cut it at the proper length, that would really help. But as you can see, even my poor cutting ability and poor scribing ability, the shape is perfect. So the wee tool itself, I must admit, it's quite an impressive wee thing. So, as you can see, it wasn't too bad. Would I recommend this wee tool? Yes, I would. It's a great wee thing. I said I do like Tracer products. I have the marker, I have the pencil already, and I already have spare lead, so this is a spare one for me, which is even nicer. But if need be, I can have this here in the back of the van, bring it out whenever I need it, and hopefully learn how to use it a wee bit better.